I want to know, when you listen Bengali music, how do you feel?
Well, it depends on the music, doesn't it? Because, you know, there are some Bengali songs which are very beautiful and very atmospheric and very calm. And then you have these musicians who are very rhythmic and, you know, it's very, like dancing music. So it depends on the music. And I like all these different kinds.
You emphasis on improvisation in your playing style.
Yes.
Please tell me about what is it exactly?
Well, improvising means that the musician is also the composer, because instead of playing some notes that have been written down and he learnt them, he's thinking what to play as he plays. And typically, and this is where there's a big similarity between Indian music, Asian music, and jazz. You usually have a very simple theme. And so there's a melody, and there is a certain scale of notes, a choice of notes, like the harmonic theme of the tune. And so you start by playing that, but then you either decorate that or you play something else which is harmonious with that. And it's not exactly the same, but it's very, very similar between Indian classical musicians and what the jazz musician does. He plays the theme, and then he tries to develop and play some variation on it, which is spontaneous. So he doesn't know what he's all going to play until he plays it.
What are your fondest musical memories?
I mentioned one, which is to see Sonny Rollins, my idol, in London live. I think, you know, my fondest memories really are recent ones, playing with these friends that I mentioned, and especially playing with this wonderful tabla rhythms, because the rhythms are very complex and, you know, they're very inspiring. Typically in Western music, the drummer is keeping time. He's just going ti-tum, ti-tum, ti-tum. But the tabla player is adding a lot of color and a lot of interest to the music. So this is my best experience so far.
What are your influences?
Well, I listen mainly to jazz. I like some pop music, but as I said, mainly those ones which are somehow influenced by jazz, like the American soul singers. But in jazz, yes, Sonny Rollins is really my favorite saxophone player. There's another one with a very different style called Stan Getz, who plays in a very soft way. There's a pianist called Bill Evans. I'm very much out of date, because the people I like most are all people who were very active in the 1950s and the 60s. And those are the ones that I still listen to now. Yeah.
What do you plan to develop your music?
Well, I'd like to be more competent. I'd like to be better. So I practice and I try to improve my technique. We have a lot of plans together with my Bangladeshi friends to really go further in bringing these different kinds of music together, you know, to really create something very original, which is neither Bangladeshi nor Western jazz, but something unique. So we are working on that. We have a lot of different ideas how to do it and how to get better at it.
Do you think, what is the achievement of being a musician?
For me, it's just a much more rewarding way of enjoying the music. So it's very nice to listen to a record. It's even better if you go to a live concert and you hear real musicians playing. That's much more satisfying. Okay. But if you can take an instrument like the saxophone and you can hear a beautiful sound and it's coming from you, this is even more satisfying. So I think it's not so much playing for the benefit of other people, it's for the pleasure of playing, the satisfaction you get from making music.
Last question to you. Yes. Please give some valuable advice to our young musician.
Well, I think it depends what kind of music, you know. If you're a Western classical musician, you have to really study very much on technique and you're not going to invent any music. You're going to interpret some music that's there. So you need to, mainly I think you need to develop technique. If you want to play an improvised music, I think the most important thing is you need to develop your ear for music. You need to be able to hear very accurately. And you know, this is something that we've experienced with our group in Bangladesh. I mentioned Wakil. Now, he came and started playing with us, and he has no background in jazz, but he has a wonderful ear for music. And as soon as he heard something that I am playing, he can join in, and he can even improvise within that harmony, within that system. So this is because he has a very good ear. And in improvised music, in Indian improvised music or jazz, the most important thing is you have to listen to the other people, because it's like a conversation between the people in the band. So I think listening to music is, for improvised music, listening to lots of good music is the most important thing.
It's a very important suggestion to young musicians.
Yes.
Thank you so much. We are almost already at the end of our program. We wish us all the best of your career. We believe that it's very good discussion today's program, and thank you so much for giving your valuable time to our program and our viewers. Would you please play music? Then before this, I want to say goodbye to our viewers. Okay. কথা হচ্ছিল আজকের অতিথির সাথে। দর্শক, 21শে দুপুর নিয়ে কোনো মতামত থাকলে আমাদের জানাবেন, জেনে নিন আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগের ঠিকানা 21শে দুপুর 21শে টেলিভিশন 10 কারণ বাজার ঢাকা 1215। এছাড়া ফোন, ফ্যাক্স বা ইমেল করতে পারেন। ফোন 88991019, ফ্যাক্স 8802818905, ইমেল dupur@21e-tv.com। 21শে দুপুরে আজকের আয়োজন এখানেই শেষ। আগামীকাল আবার দেখা হবে। 21শে সঙ্গেই থাকুন। প্লিজ স্টার্ট।
Whoa.